One of my favorite on-the-go breakfasts is a chia seed pudding. And if you're making it at home, you're ditching the sugar. It's loaded with protein, fat, and fiber to help support blood sugar balance and regulate your hunger hormones. Let me show you how quick it is to make. First, you'll need 1/4 cup of organic chia seeds, 1.5 cups of unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla organic pea protein, 1 tablespoon of Nutty Infusions roasted almond butter. To prepare your pudding, place your chia seeds in the mason jar. Pour the almond milk, protein powder, and nut butter in a high-speed blender and blend. Once fully mixed, pour the mixture over the chia seeds and screw the lid on tight. Shake well to mix. Then, you'll need to refrigerate for 20 minutes, take it out, shake lightly again, and the hard work is done. The toppings are up to you. I love adding 1/4 cup of fresh berries, organic shredded coconut, or maybe a handful of organic almonds or cashews. This breakfast is so easy to take on the go. Just make it the night before, store it in your refrigerator. When you're ready to take it with you the next morning, have fun with the toppings and enjoy.